Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel, so you can see such interesting videos in the future.
Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. And an indisputable part of mini diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut-off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing Cosori air fryer, available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes, so you can start adding fuel to the fryer. Live life tastefully with Cosori.
Hey, ladies. I didn't bring anything. Can I come in? Sure. What should we do? Of course! How did we forget about our air fryer? Man, look at all this yummy stuff! Less oil means fewer calories and healthier snacking. These things cook fast in here too. And in no time, you've got some crispy fries. Come and get it, friends! And it all took under an hour. Party saved! All this needs is a quick rinse. Its metal, non-sticking coating makes cleaning a breeze.
Now you can air fry, grill, roast, broil, bake, even dehydrate with the amazing Brio. Watch how easy. Just add your meal into the large fry basket, pop it in, and touch and go. Wow, in just minutes, a mountain of wings fried with air, not oil. No more greasy, oily food or messy countertops. The breakthrough, Brio's new aerodynamic system that surrounds food with superheated cyclonic air. Crisping has never been better, faster, and 360 degrees around without flipping. But don't stop there. Air fry whole chickens to golden and juicy perfection. Serve roast beef medium rare or succulent pork loin. Air fry crispy mozzarella stick, frozen sweet potato waffle fries, or tasty coconut shrimp. All with that amazing fried food taste, but without the guilt. The new wave Brio air fryer is the one that you'll love to use every day. So go ahead, air fry, grill, roast, broil. You can also slow cook chipotle pork, crisp tortilla bowls, bake delicious desserts, and even dehydrate your healthy fruit snacks. With the Brio, your meal possibilities are endless.
Just when they thought it couldn't get better than this. Having been named Best Overall Air Fryer by Business Insider 3 years in a row, Yeti Houseware has now taken the best of the best in air fryer technology to create the all-new Yeti Evolution Air Fryer. With enhanced cooking space, a healthy ceramic-coated cooking basket that's PFOA-free, BPA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free, an expanded LCD touchscreen with built-in smart programs, added functionality, and a sleek 360 stainless steel design, the Yeti Evolution Air Fryer is everything you've been searching for in an air fryer. Unlike other competitors that only offer a standard air fryer, every Yeti Evolution Air Fryer comes with our deluxe total package ceramic-coated accessory kit, including a recipe book and cheat sheets. All the accessories deemed essential to optimizing your air frying experience. Transforming otherwise deep-fried, fat-laden foods into vibrant, healthy cuisine with the crispy, crunchy goodness you crave. With your Yeti Evolution Air Fryer, you'll satisfy the sweet tooth, the salty, and the savory. Now cooking up multiple dishes at once for even less effort and more. Isn't it time to evolve your kitchen? Get the best of the best with the Yeti Evolution Air Fryer. Order yours today